Welcome back to my channel, Mose Entertainment. My name is Mose Noah. I'm with you. My channel is all about African nationalist history and Pan-Africanism. And our today's program is all about Patrice Emery Lumumba as the nationalist, a Congolese man who led Congo to independence. Before I continue, please subscribe my channel, Mose Entertainment, like, comment. Don't forget to subscribe, please, when you are watching this video. Let us go to our role as our program is going to start, but since you have seen the speech of Lumumba, let us go to our main discussion. Our today's program is all about Patrice Emery Lumumba. Patrice Emery Lumumba was born in Zaire Tasumbu Taosa in Democratic Republic of Congo in 2nd July 1925. In 17 January 1961, he became a Congolese politician and independence leader who served as the first Prime Minister of Democratic Republic of Congo, then known as the Republic of the Congo. From June until September 1960, following the May 1960 election, he was the leader of the Congolese National Movement, MNC, from 1958 until his assassination in 1961. Ideologically an African nationalist and Pan-Africanist, he played a significant role in the transformation of the Congo from a colony of Belgium into an independent republic. Lumumba died on 2nd July 1961 at the age of 35 years old near Elizabethville, state of Katanga. He met his death by firing sword in the oil. He had children including Roland Gilbert Lumumba, Juliana Lumumba, Marie Christine Lumumba, 3 children. Shortly after Congolese independence, in June 1960, a mutiny broke out in the army, marking the beginning of the Congo crisis. After a coup, Lumumba attempted to escape to Stanleyville to join his supporters who had established a new anti-Mobutu state called the RDC route. Lumumba was captured on the route by state authorities under Joseph Desire, sent to the mercenaries sent to the state of Katanga, and with the help of Belgian mercenaries, tortured and executed by the separatist Katangan authorities of Moise Sombe. In 2002, Belgium formally apologized for its role in the execution, admitting moral responsibility. And in 2022, they returned Lumumba's tooth to his family. He is seen He is seen as a martyr for the Pan-African movement. He had parents where his mother was called Julienne Wamato Lomenja and his father Francois Tolenga Otesima, who was a farmer in Onalua in the Katanga region of the Kasai province of the Belgian Congo. His father was a member of the Tetela ethnic group, where he was referred to with the name Elias Okit, or Elias Okit Osombe. His original surname means heir of the caste. That one was his father. Before I proceed, I really request you to subscribe my channel, like and comment, and if possible you can share my video. Let us continue to our program, where we are going to see final days of Patrice Emery Lumumba, our nationalist. Lumumba was sent to fast on 3rd December 1960 to the 5th File military barracks at the Camp Hade, 150 kilometers, about 100 miles from Leopoldville. He was accompanied by Maurice Mpolo and Joseph Okito, two political associates who had planned to assist him in setting up a new government. They were fed poorly by the prison guards as per Mobutu's orders. In Lumumba's last documented letter, he wrote to Rajesh War Dayal, in a word, we are living amid absolutely impossible conditions. Moreover, they are against the law. On the morning of 13 January 1961, discipline at Camp Hade faltered. Soldiers refused to work unless they were paid. They received a total of 400,000 francs and $8,000 from the Katanga cabinet. Some supported Lumumba's rallies, while others thought he was dangerous. Kasavubu, Mobutu, and the foreign ministers Justin Marie Bomboko and head of security services Victor Nendaka Bika personally arrived at the camp and negotiated with the troops. Conflict was avoided, but it became apparent that holding a controversial prisoner in the camp was too great a risk. Harold Charles Daspromont Linden, the last Belgian minister of the colonies, ordered that Lumumba, Mpolo, and Okito should be taken to the state of Katanga. Lumumba was forcibly retrained on the flight to Elizabethville on 19 January 1961. So I really appreciate to those who are listening my video. So let us meet to the next program, and we see how Lumumba met his death and how Lumumba was killed, who were involved, what are the foreign countries involved in the death of Lumumba. But there is one thing, so please remember to subscribe my channel and remember to like. So please visit my profile. Those who are watching my videos, visit my profile. You will click on the YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, you'll see it is on my profile. Then you make sure you subscribe, then you follow me through YouTube channel. So please be patient. Let us meet to the next program. Thank you.